Hi guys, it's Fatia Johnson, the nurse practitioner over at Bowen Sparkle Medical Spa. So today we are doing PDO smooth threads, and what's cool about that is that it builds collagen and elastin, and it's going to help in different areas that we do want to build collagen and elastin. So on her, a lot of people have these little smile lines, so we're going to go ahead and place those smooth threads into this area, and then we're going to go this way too, and we're going to make a crosshatch so that it builds all that nice collagen and elastin back into the tissue of her skin. Those threads I'm going to show you now. As we can see, you see that blue kind of spiral thread around there. So that is gonna go into the surface of the skin. Again, it's gonna go in, help produce collagen, elastin, and tighten the skin. So we are gonna place that in here shortly. So always first, we prep the skin, hypochlorous acid, and then I do sometimes have them spile so that we can kind of see where that groove is. Go ahead, relax. I can still see it, so that is another reason why we need to build collagen and elastin in that area. We're gonna give her a little poke, 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 1, 2, 3, perfect. We are gonna glide that into the tissue of the skin. How you doing?
Good.
Good? Perfect.
No pain.
Good. We're gonna do another. I sometimes like to pull the skin taut. Perfect. Good. I'll come on this side because we have some there. Skin taut. Okay. And then we're gonna cross-hatching. Cross-hatch there. Another way you can measure is you take this and you make sure that the thread is gonna go in all the way. And then when you place the thread in, you wanna make sure you take it all the way down to the end of that. And one more. You doing okay?
I'm great, thank you.
Okay, now we're gonna twist them to release and go ahead and pull them out.
Wow, very simple.
Mm-hmm.